Hey tribe, good morning. So today I am headed about 13.1 miles away from Pet Shelter, and just got started about 9 o'clock. It's about 10:30 a.m. now, and it's gonna warm up today, so I'm grateful for that. Right now it's still a little chilly, but we are on our way. Frost. About 7.5 miles in today, and I don't remember the name of the shelter we're headed for, but it's 13 miles away from where I was, Peck Shelter, and just finished having my lunch. Had some nuts and a Laura bar, a bunch of snacks. See you soon. Love and hike. 3.9 miles away from Cosby Knob. Hi. 3.9 away from Cosby Knob. That's where I'll be staying tonight. It's about 3 o'clock. And it warmed up today, so I guess it was supposed to be about 56 at the high at like 2 o'clock. But the sun is out. Snow's still here, but it's melting. And we are headed to the shelter. And I was just thinking earlier, what a privilege it is that I get to hike the trail, hike the Appalachian Trail. Super grateful. Hey guys, so I just arrived at the tent space. Shelters up there. Got some water next to what might be my campsite. And yeah, privy up there. I'll try to show you guys the works today. So this might be my tent site right here. Thinking that'll be a good spot for my tent. Privy is way up there. I might take y'all. There it is. Privy. And the shelter. The water. I'm going to have dinner. It's about 5:45. And I just think I'm going to do some oodles and noodles tonight. Maybe pita with hummus. So, garlic pepper. Which one do I want? Tofu, miso, or shiitake mushroom. I think I'm going to go with the shiitake mushroom. I'll do the tortilla with a little hummus. And that's going to be dinner for tonight.